Bravo disassembling procedure. Tools needed for assembling and disassembling the device. 1. Torx screwdriver T5. 2. Phillips screwdriver 00x40. 3. Opening tool. 4. Cleaning cloth. 5. Plastic tweezers. 6. ESD wrist strap. 7. Oven. 8. Camera shielding disassembling tool. 9. Camera disassembling tool. 10. Camera assembling tool. Please wear the ESD wrist strap. Remove the battery cover. Remove the battery. Unfasten the screws with the T5 screwdriver at the locations indicated. Unfasten the screws with the Phillips screwdriver at the locations indicated. Remove the antenna. Remove the vibrator. Remove the housing. Remove the speaker. Unfasten the screws with the Phillips screwdriver at the locations indicated. Tape up the power and volume buttons to fix the buttons in place. Disconnect the LCD touch panel and APP key FPC connectors as shown. Disconnect the GPS cable. Detach the volume key FPC. Loosen the main board and upper board at the location as shown. Remove the main board and upper board. Remove the receiver. Remove the LCM copper foil. Remove the APP key FPC. Remove the APP key button. Remove the mylar. Detach the touch window FPC from the LCM. Remove the LCM. Place the bezel and touch window inside the oven set at 60 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes to soften the adhesives. Place a protective film over the touch window. Place a sponge over the protective film and push gently to separate them. Detach the touch window. Slide the touch window FPC out through the bezel opening. Remove the optical joystick. Remove the OJ ring from the optical joystick. Disconnect the B2B connectors. Remove the flashboard. Remove camera shielding with the camera shielding removal tool. Remove camera with the camera module removal tool. Remove the rubber and power key mylar. Detach the power key FPC from the support plate. Remove the support plate. Remove the cable holder rubber. Remove the battery connector mylar. Detach and remove the GPS cable. Disconnect the SIM SD FPC connector. Detach the SIM SD FPC. The disassembly process is done.